What day is today? July 27th dips a chicken finger in honey mustard, pours a glass of scotch, and asks why a Barbie in a blender became a statement about intellectual property. National Chicken Finger Day was founded by Raising Cane's, the Louisiana chain that built its entire menu around the chicken finger and turned July 27th into an annual celebration. National Scotch Day celebrates Scotch whiskey, produced exclusively in Scotland and aged a minimum of 3 years by law, in its smoky, peaty, and honeyed varieties. Barbie in a Blender Day was created by freeculture.org as commentary on corporate copyright overreach and the freedom to make derivative art. Bagpipe Appreciation Day honors the ancient reed instrument traced back over 2,000 years. National New Jersey Day celebrates the Garden State's ratification as the third state to join the Union in 1787. National Love is Kind Day raises awareness of domestic violence survivors and the role of kindness in recovery. Dip the chicken finger, sip the scotch, appreciate the bagpipes. Which one's actually on your calendar? Tell us!